How you doing? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. She's sneezing. Look at her. She just woke up. Oh, look at that big yawn. Oh. How you doing? Pick her up, Grandma. We'll get those feet. Oh, who's playing with my feet? What's happening with my feet? Look at her. She's 3 days old. She wants you to pick her up.
You sure?
Pick her up. Someone's
See?
slug a bed. Look at her. Let me get on this side. Look at that pretty girl. Look at her.
It's eating her hand. You gonna be a thumb sucker? Huh?
Nah, I think she needs a snack.
She's dancing around.
You want to give Grandpa a kiss? Here, hold on. Just give me that. Oh, look at you. Look at Grandpa. Look at.
It's kind of dark.
Give Grandpa a kiss. Well, you're looking right into the light. There we go. Turn the light on. How's that?
I guess it's better.
Look at the little feet. Ooh, look, she can grab me with her toes. You're so pretty. Look at her smile. Ooh, what do you got here? Ooh. Ooh. I don't have one. Look, she's grabbing a hold of my shirt. Look, there's gotta be a titty around here somewhere. Ooh, look at her.